Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is another episode of Fate, and as you already know, Fate is a new series of videos that I have. Well, it's not that new right now because it is season 2, right? But it's a series of videos that I do about problems, reviews, or deepest explanations about problems, or probably inspecting your truck or reviewing your truck. Many things that can happen on this series of videos. But today I'm going to be talking about this radiator. This is another radiator about Radiator Cascadia. In this case, this is a 2015 Radiator Cascadia, but this radiator is going to be similar for Radiator Cascadias from 2013 and up. The last one I did was from 2009 to 2012. So this is another type of radiator, and that's the reason why I decided to do it, because this is what is going on right now. But for any reason you wanna contact me, you wanna ask me something, or you want me to ask me to review your truck or check your truck or something, you can go to Instagram and look for FranciscoAmaya YouTube. There you can contact me. Make sure to follow me, and you can ask me questions there. You can ask me anything about it. Just give me some time to get back to you, because I have plenty of questions, and that's how you can contact me the fastest. That's how you can ask me questions the fastest too, and that way we can have a better communication in between us, and probably we can review something about you, or we can check your problem and put you on a video the way I have done with many other people that want me to check their trucks. But to the video. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because this radiator is from a company called E2 Radiators. It's a company that does radiators here locally, or I don't know if they're nationwide or worldwide. I have no idea. But anyway, I bought this radiator, and as soon as I bought it, it broke. So I decided to do warranty on it, and after done the warranty again, and it broke again. That's not good, because this is an investment of someone. Someone invests money for this radiator, to purchase this radiator, to put it on a truck, and having something like this is not good. That's the reason why I'm going to talk about this one. The part number of this radiator is now 9054, if I am correctly, 900054. That's the part number of this radiator. That goes for a radiator that comes for Radiator Cascadias from 2013 and up, with DD15 engines. If you have Cummins ISA engine, it's going to be different. But one thing that I noticed about this radiator is that the brackets, it comes with the brackets already. It comes ready to install. All you have to do is purchase and put it on the truck. That's it. It comes ready for installation. And that's good. That's one of the good things about it, because you can buy the OEM radiator that costs around $2,000 and comes with the brackets and everything, but it costs $2,000. And this one costs around 1/4 of the price of that radiator, a little more. It's not a 1/4, probably 1/3 we can call it. And that's the benefits of it. And it's cheap, and it comes ready for installation. The bracket, this bracket is perfect fitment. The bracket fits perfectly. You put it on, everything fits the way it's supposed to be. You don't have to cut, you don't have to drill a hole, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is make sure that you have all the correct parts and put them on together, and it will be the right radiator. That's the benefit of this radiator. The problem with this radiator is how long it lasts. Sadly, this radiator doesn't last not even a year. This radiator breaks so easy. And that is a problem, because I mean, it costs around $700, $800, depending where you buy it. Starting to rain right now. Around 700, 800, depending where you buy it, that's how much it's gonna cost. But it won't cost more than 1,000, probably 1,000 the most. But it's gonna cost you that much money, and you're gonna expect at least 2 years, because that's the majority of good quality radiators. They last around 2 years, and this one doesn't even last a year, and that's really bad, because when you invest your money, you expect something that lasts. I mean, it is not like OEM quality, like Freilander quality, and it's gonna last like 5 years, 6 years, depending. But at least you expect 2 years, because it's half the price, so it's gonna be half the quality, right? But in this case, being half the quality, because it doesn't even last 1 year, right? It's way less than half, and that is the problem. I really won't buy any radiators from this company ever again, because they're bad. But that doesn't mean then if you work for that company, let's say if you work for that company and you contact me and you say, hey, you know what, we already work on the radiators and we did improvements, I will test it again and see if it works the way it is, because we want to see results, and this is the results you have right now, which is no good. But if you have an improvement, well, that will be a different part, a different item. So I would like to try it to see how good it is, and probably I can change my mind. But after right now, this is no good. I will not suggest you to buy this radiator, because it will break easily. And the thing is, like, you spend for the radiator, and then you want to spend for the installation of the radiator, so you're going to be spending double on the price. Probably you're going to be spending around $2,000 with parts and everything on the installation of the radiator, and this one breaks 6 months, 3 months later. It's not even worth the money at all, because you have to spend again labor and everything to repair this radiator, and that is not good, because it's not even worth the money at all. So my recommendation is, then if you are planning to buy a radiator like this, you should look for better quality, like TCM. Linux is better now than this one, or maybe buy the OEM if you're looking for the best quality. But this one won't be the one you're looking for if you're planning to have the best quality, the best price, and lasting long. This won't be the right one for you. This will actually destroy all your investment, all your money that you have saved. So that will be my recommendation to you. Look for other ones. If you cannot afford other ones, try to look for, I don't know, anything that works. But that will be up to right now about this radiator. I mean, sadly, I don't like to talk anything bad about parts or something, because everybody does their best to work. But when you're trying to sell something that has warranty and it breaks, and then they give you the warranty for something that is again, doesn't make sense at all. That doesn't make sense, because what's the point to give warranty of something that is gonna break just the same way as it breaks, as it broke at the beginning? So it doesn't make any sense. So that's the reason why I decided to do the video about talking about this radiator, and the bad about this radiator. But as I said before, if you work for the company, Active Radiators, and if you have an improvement of this radiator, hit me up. Let me know. Look for FranciscoAmaya on Instagram and hit me up, or you can use the comment section or the email address as well, francisco.amaya@gmail.com. That's how you can contact me in many different ways. You can ask me what's my experience, what was the problem. But if you want to know what was the problem with this radiator, was this. It was from the top. Twice. The 2 times it broke, it was leaking for this area over here the same way, no difference at all. And actually I replaced another one, another active radiator, and that active radiator didn't break from the top. What happened on that one is then this part over here, this is the transmission cooler. So what happened is the transmission cooler went bad, this one started leaking a lot of oil, and that was the problem with the other radiator I replaced. So I replaced 3 in total of these radiators, and all of them had problem, and this one is the last one I had to replace about this one. And that was the problems. If you wonder what were the problems with this one, there you have them. If you fix all these problems, I will be happy to buy it, because I like how easy it is to install this radiator. It's a perfect fitment. The brackets, they fit perfectly. The bolts, they are in a really nice position. Nothing is like so close to the other parts. Everything fits the way it is. It's nothing bad about the brackets. It is just the actual radiator. And actually I like this part over here. This flat surface over here is, I like this one because I feel that this one is better than the OEM, because over here being flat, it gives you the advantage that you can tie these bolts, these fittings over here pretty easy. You can tie them pretty easy, and you can remove them pretty easy, because the OEM, they're kind of hidden because the plate is a little like a push out, like, and that is hard because you have very limited room to tie those fittings, and it's hard when you don't have the right tools, and you can mess them up and many things can happen. That's why I like this radiator, but I don't like it because it doesn't last any long, which is bad anyway. So I prefer to buy the OEM instead of this one. But that's about it about this problem with this radiator. I don't think then this is a good idea if you're planning to buy it. But if an improvement had happened and I have the opportunity to review another radiator of this one, I will actually post another video in the future where I'm gonna be talking about the benefits of buying the new improved radiator. Then probably you can buy, because I will do that because I know all of you are looking for parts like this where you can invest the money, where you can have the best parts, and how to save the most amount of money, because we are looking to save money. So that's how I'm gonna do it. But up to right now, I don't have no other complaints about it except for all this. Then pretty much it is bad, right? So I won't buy any of these radiators unless they have an improvement. Even if you work for the company, please contact me, and if you wanna ask me how it happened, I can tell you how everything happened, and that's how we can go. And that's about it. So this was the review of this radiator, and that's how I'm gonna continue doing more reviews about other parts as well, because all of us gotta be informed on what is better to buy and what is not better to buy. So that's why I'm doing these videos as well, so you can get the idea on what you can buy and what you don't have to buy. And if you have any questions about the video, comment section below. Experience about this or about other items, you can use the comment section as well. Recommendations, suggestions, or anything to add, use the comment section below. When I contact me directly, as I said before, look for FranciscoAmaya on Instagram, follow me there, and there you can find me. Also, if for any reason you want to send any type of support or donation to my channel, you can check the description of the video where I have details how to send support to my channel. I can continue making videos, informative videos, the way I'm doing with this one, or better videos. And make sure to like the video, subscribe, that is very important, share it is important as well, and thank you for watching.